Watch this. I'll ask it for Bitcoin. Instantly, it gives me a clear sell signal, flagging it as a medium risk with an 85% confidence score. Now let's try gold. It comes back with a buy signal, but look closer. It's flagged as high risk with only a 50% confidence score. All right, with that said, let's build this thing.
But first, a quick disclaimer. Please remember, this tool is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is no financial advice.
First things first, we need a powerful brain for our bot. Open up your browser and search for N8N. It's an amazing workflow automation platform that's going to make this whole process super easy. Go ahead and click the first link to their website. Once you're on their homepage, click on Get Started to log in or create your free account. Now that we're inside our N8N dashboard, we need to open our instance. This is where all the magic happens. From this main overview page, find and click the big red button that says Create Workflow. Excellent, we have a blank canvas. A pro tip before we do anything else is to give our workflow a name. Let's click on the title at the top, change it to AI Trading Bot, and hit Save. This keeps our projects organized. Every automation needs a trigger, something that kicks it all off. For us, that's going to be a message we send on Telegram. Click the plus button to add our first step. In the search bar, type Telegram. Select it, and then choose On Message as our trigger. This tells our workflow to wake up and get to work anytime it receives a new message. But here's the game changer. We need to connect N8N to our very own bot. In the Telegram trigger settings, click the Credentials dropdown and select Create New Credential. To get this, we need to visit the master of all bots, the Bot Father. Open up your Telegram app and search for Bot Father. Start a chat and type the command /new bot. Bot Father will ask for a name, let's call it Trading Signals. Then it needs a unique username, something like Trading Signals Arabot will work. And just like that, Bot Father gives us our secret API token. This is the key to our entire operation. Click to copy it. Now head back to N8N and paste that token right into the access token field. Click Save, and boom, our N8N workflow is now connected to our Telegram bot. Okay, our bot can listen, but it can't do anything yet. It needs data. Let's add the next node by clicking the plus sign. This time, search for HTTP request. This powerful node lets us pull information from anywhere on the internet. We're going to use it to grab real-time stock data. For the URL, I have a special link from Vantage, a great source for financial data. I'll paste it in. Wait until you see what happens next. This URL is good, but we need to make it dynamic so it can look up any stock we send it. We'll replace the placeholder stock symbol with a special expression that pulls the text directly from our Telegram message. Then we need to get our own free API key from Vantage. Just visit their site, click Get Free API Key, fill out the quick form, and copy your personal key. Now we'll paste that key back into our URL in N8N. Perfect. Now our bot can fetch data for any stock symbol we give it. We have the trigger, we have the data, now it's time to add the artificial intelligence. Click the plus sign again and search for the AI agent node. This is where the real analysis happens. To power our agent, we need a chat model. Let's connect it to the incredible Google Gemini model. We'll create a new credential for it. To get the key, just open a new tab and head over to Google's AI Studio. It's super simple. Just click Get API Key, create a new one, and copy it. Let's jump back to N8N and paste that key in, and hit Save. Now our AI agent has a world-class brain ready to go. By the way, if you're getting value from this and want to see more tutorials on building amazing AI tools, take a second to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Now, an AI is only as smart as the instructions you give it. This is the most important part. We're going to give our agent a detailed prompt. I'm pasting in a custom prompt that tells it to act as a professional stock trading analyst, analyze all the data points we're giving it, and then format the output in a clean, easy-to-read way. This prompt is the secret sauce that turns raw data into actionable insight. We're on the final step. Our bot has analyzed the data, now it needs to send the answer back to us in Telegram. Let's add one last node. Search for Telegram, and this time choose the action of sending a text message. To make sure the bot replies to the right person, we need our Telegram chat ID. Here's a quick trick. Search for the user info bot on Telegram, start it, and it will immediately give you your unique chat ID. Copy that number and paste it into the chat ID field in N8N. For the text of the message, we don't want to type anything static. We want the AI's analysis. Click in the text field and select the output from our AI agent node. This dynamically pipes the AI's entire response right into the message. Finally, let's quickly turn off the N8N attribution to make the message look cleaner. All right, the moment of truth. Our workflow is complete. Let's click Save and then toggle the workflow from inactive to active. Our bot is now live and listening. Let's go test it. I'll open Telegram and send our bot a stock symbol, XAUUSD. We'll give it a few seconds to work its magic, and there it is. A complete analysis with a buy, sell, or hold recommendation, the price, and the reasoning behind it. Let's try another one, BTCUSD, and another perfect analysis. How amazing is that? You just built a powerful AI trading bot from scratch. Now it's your turn to build it, customize the prompt, and see what you can create. Let me know what you build in the comments below. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more game-changing automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.